Hi everyone and welcome for today's video. Welcome in my little new room, which is my studio now. And I just want to make this short video to say thank you for you all. And I actually planned to make some confetti, but I didn't want to clean up the mess afterwards. So just imagine some confetti. So thank you so much. We have just recently passed the 20,000 subscribers and I'm really happy about this. Thank you so much. And this is basically a video about a special event that I have announced for a couple of you already in the chats and some social media messages from Facebook and Instagram. So this is the video about it. And what I thought about is actually something to say thank you to at least a couple of you. And the event is about this. Those are 20 canvases, each 20 by 20 centimeter, so my tiny ones. The event is about making these for you. So in the video description down below you will find the event email address where you can send me an email to. And you don't need to write anything specific, no long story whatsoever. I just need your email address, your name and your YouTube handle, and the color wish that you have for your canvas, and perhaps the technique that you want to have. So whether it is a swipe or a ring pour or a dirty pour or flip cup, whatever, just let me know in your message. And what I'm going to do in the end, after I think about 2 weeks time, I will take all these emails and messages that I have received, put them into a jar, and Patrick will be my lucky fairy. Is this an English word? Glücksfee? I don't know. I don't know if you guys have something like that. But he will pick 20 out of the jar. And those 20 lucky winners will get their individually poured and signed artwork. So if you are among the winners, then I'm going to message you back. So this is actually what I had in mind, and I hope you will like the idea. I think it's kind of cute and nice. And so at least a couple of you will be the lucky winners. Let me know what you think. So if you want to participate, just send me a message to the email that is listed below. I really look forward how many of you will join. So when the event is over and you watch this video too late, the email will be of course removed and you cannot send me the email. But still you can enjoy watching my videos, and I'm pretty sure the next event will come when I at some point probably hit the 50,000. I don't know. You can help me get there. And to not make this video just for the introduction and the event announcement, I'm going to show you a pour that I kind of liked, but I kind of messed up. Because I mixed my paints, I was pretty happy going some fancy colorful there, and I really did not notice that I had some clumps of paint in my paint mixture. Well, I did notice it because I had them in the base layer paint, which I have added. I should have sifted through, which I didn't. And I just thought, it will do, it will be fine. It wasn't. So the result was kind of nice, but I had these bumps all over, and I think I filmed the end result and I can put it here in the video at the end. And yeah, I'm open for ideas what you would actually do with it. Would you just leave it as is? Would you make a resin pour over it? Would you make a geode out of it? Would you burn it? Let me know. And besides that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you again for helping me reach the 20,000. It is really much appreciated. And yeah, I hope the coming year will be as exciting as the last year, and I hope I can bring you many projects full of inspiration. And as usual, feel free to show me your results if you try any of them. So let's continue with the video. Enough talking now, and I head over to the voiceover. So bye bye! At first, everything started out really simple. I had a feeling that I have a colorful and fancy day, so I picked all my metallic colors that I had and wanted to make a pour with all of them. For those who know me longer know that I'm not so much a colorful guy. I most of time stay on a simple color palette with about 3, perhaps 4 colors at the most. So this is about 7 or 8 colors that I'm mixing here, all metallic acrylic colors. but I just wanted to play around and see what result I can get. So I just started off mixing my colors with the acrylic binder, the paint and some water. It's 3/4 of the binder and 1/4 of the paint, not sure, a bit of water, and that's actually everything that I used. The canvas that I used is a round one, as you can see, 50 centimeter in diameter, and I decided to make a base layer paint just to have something to let the paint flow easier and to be a bit more on the safe side when it comes to the acrylic metallic paints. Because if I wouldn't have done a base layer, I would have needed more of the more expensive paint. So I grabbed my drip off and rest amount mixed together jar, still don't have a good word for it, and used this mixture. And just the very same day I added some old acrylic paints that I had and didn't want to use anymore into this jar, and I found out that it was clumpy. And I thought, okay, it might dissolve over time, everything is good. But I just put it on a canvas and saw these clumps, which are larger than I expected. I didn't worry so much at this point and used my palette knife and tried to even them out and to squeeze them to make them even, which I thought might have worked, but bottom line, in the end, you'll see it didn't. So, lesson learned, don't do this again, or if I do, I will sieve everything through to have an even mixture again. But other than that, if it would have worked, you basically just spread the base layer and start pouring everything. Another thing that I wished I had done, looking at this after quite a while now, I think I should have tilted even more just to give more texture and design to the overall piece. I think I was too hesitant of moving the paint around on the canvas. But it's always the same thing, the same struggle I guess we all are facing when we're making these pours. Shall we tilt more? Shall we stop? Can we probably make it even better when we continue tilting? Or is it completely ruined when you move the paint even a millimeter more? So this is the same struggle that I'm facing most often, and as you can imagine, I did not tilt it anymore at this point and let it dry. I kind of liked the result, how it looked like though. It of course created cells, although there was no silicone in there. And for so many colors, I pretty much like the result, although I'm not so much a fan of really colorful pours. I did one in my very early pouring days, which only a couple have seen. I will probably show this in the video here as well. This was the, I think, most colorful pour that I did. And I kind of liked it. It was really psychedelic. And this was the one and only pour which had a perfect fitting song. So when I looked at it, when it was done, I just thought, perfect song, Jefferson's Airplane, White Rabbit. So if you know the song, you will know what I mean. If you don't know the song, Google it, listen to it, you will know what I mean. One of the most iconic fitting songs, I think. So, and this is actually everything that I wanted to show you for this project. It is not one of my favorites, and so you see, I sometimes fail myself. And yeah, if you like, leave me a comment down below what you would actually do with it. If you would to make resin geode something out of it, if you would burn it, if you wouldn't, well, I don't think a second pour of it would do anything good because the bumps are still there. So yeah, let me know what you would do with it. And besides that, of course, I look forward to read from you for the event. If you're new to my channel and have not done so far, please subscribe and leave me a thumbs up if you liked this video. Social media links are also down below in the video description. And of course, if you want to have a look at my completed artwork, you can also have a look at my Etsy store. And also, if you're new, have a look at all my other videos, which I have linked in a couple of different playlists, or just scroll through them and enjoy. So, if you have any questions, as usual, leave me in the comment box below. And other than that, I hope to see you in my next videos. Have a great time. Bye bye.